Yes, y'all, welcome back to Gist TV, where you have your news undiluted. My country people, na good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you dey, just pack your own, put am for your pocket, sit down, cross leg, make I serve una the news wey dey Nigeria now, because una deserve good thing. My country people, una see all this celebrity marriage, all this celebrity marriage, no be my thing. I dey tell una no be my thing, because they're too fake. They're fake. No celebrity wey go say e dey genuine within 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. Una see all those things wey dem dey hide, go come out, just come out like that. So my country people, una know say na broken we dey take the yarn our own here. My country people, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg, subscribe for my sister now. Subscribe for your fine sister. So my country people, una see say all this celebrity marriage, na fake. Now so the video carry on come here, come sing, 30 billion for your account. He come talk say he go give Chioma 30 billion. I don't think say Chioma even see 30 million for in hand. After he come talk say him be man, you know they look am anyhow. So na woman, if you see woman wey like him go. He go. So my country people, na so Chioma can't leave am. All the promise wey don't promise Chioma, can't promise heaven and earth, join. Chioma no even see one portion for this earth. He no even see anything. Now Chioma don respect herself, come carry mat, go for begin the find husband. And una don see this P-Square. Una don see am. I don't know whether if he want talk say this in wife and after whether na financial woman be that una don say this marriage, e get as e be. People no dey take marriage serious, and God don plan marriage, make marriage take the solid. Okay, now make una see this beautiful family now. Now they want divorce. Now they want dissolve this beautiful family. They come talk say they want do am on a mutual ground, so that say papa fit come see children, mama fit come see children. Say no love lost among the children. Say then go they see their children together, so the children no go get emotional problem. How you know say the children no go emotional problem? Whether una they can't see them. When I say una no stay together, that one don't already give the children emotional trauma. Yes, it don't already give the children emotional trauma. The time where Anita with P-Square, the time where then they do, you go marry me, yes, I go marry you. You go wait for me, yes, I go wait for you. They can't do and set there, they can't reach 10 good years. They never conclude the thing where they want to do. 10 good years. They can't born picking, join, no. They no conclude the thing when they want to do. Now that time Anita for no say, I want in a cracker. Now that time Anita for no say, this will not be talk now do. You can't leave them. They caught for 10 good years. Anita, you say you know reason well. Why you go date man for 10 good years? He never tell you say you go marry me or not. You see the data. Say 10 good years. And after you come tell and say you not can't decide say you not go marry. Indecisiveness, now worry you now. Now indecisiveness, now worry you now. So after una don't say okay, I do. After 10 years, una can't stay more 7 years. So the time where una never say una do, come pass the time where una say I do. Una not say na fake life be that one. Real fake lifestyle be that one. So my country people, the thing where they happen for all these celebrity, I'm here to count out a celebrity that his or her yes is yes. We don't stay well. All of them get where they pinch them. They come to say the reason why they won't go divorce now because wetin be that English wey dem call am? They say na incompatibility differences. Incompatibility difference. So the time wey una cause for 10 good years, una no know say una dey incompatible. Una no know. Na the time wey una don come say I do, una come know say una dey incompatible. No be fake life be that. So my country people, as the news take reach us, so they don find out, say make they come think, come ask them, say now wetin make these people want divorce? They don find all the corner, they don't gree talk. They no gree talk. Now the only thing where the wife talk be say then they incompatible. Now incompatible. Now they want take divorce marriage. Not be so God talk am. God say now only death or fornication. Now if he make husband or wife say I no go marry again. Now either death or fornication. Now if he separate husband and wife. No be incompatible, because una go don know say una kuku dey incompatible because una be imperfect woman. As una be imperfect woman, una don already be incompatible. So to come say na incompatible, that one na wayo, na lie. Make una go back, go marry una sef. If I be judge, na lie. And all these girls wey dey run for celebrities, make I tell una now, and make I use this medium come tell una, see if any celebrity wan marry me, e go dey pay my parents 30 billion wey Davido promise every month. 30 billion every month, 30 billion. Na so e go take, so that e no go get time to talk. Yes, so that e no go get time. If you don pay my parents 30 billion every month, the second month he pay 30 billion, the third month he pay 30 billion. If I tell am say we dey incompatible, he go say na lie. Na lie, we dey compatible well. So my country people, what do not think? Make una talk am for comment section. Make I hear for comment section, abeg. Make una help this channel grow. Make una talk am for comment section. What do not think? Una wan make them divorce or make una they no divorce? Make una talk am. Una no say all these celebrity get as dem dey take dey do. Tonto Dike come out him own, come talk say him husband na 4 minutes man. Now wetin be this one they talk, they no wan talk anything. Abeg make I see una for comment section. I go see una for another gist.